Smoke screen.
Nitro!
Oh, that looked like it hurt.
Yeah, it's indestructible.
They are. Nice drift.
I try. These things don't turn for shit.
No. Come on, monster truck.
Get your ass in the moving.
Ah! Fuck. Oh, that looks like a roadblock. Hit it hard.
Shit balls.
Jeez. Uh-oh. My truck's about to die.
I just ran those guys over.
Right.
I've upset the Unidad by running them over.
I think I'm going to have to stop and get another vehicle. This one's just about dead. Yeah, this is not going to be good for me. Hey,
All right.
get up here and meat shield for me. Oh, my truck's
Okay.
dead. Nice. Alright.
Hey, got one with a turret right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the tractor. Safer.
No, there's a pickup next to the tractor.
Yeah, I see it. I got the tractor. Don't push me off the cliff! Don't. Oh, now I don't have it. Alright, I guess I'm getting off the tractor here. You know, the tractor actually had a radio for it. Oh, come on. Am I stuck? Oh, there we go. Alright, looks like I have to parachute. Oh! Did not quite make the parachute.